Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we are going to learn how to manually convert a price quote into an invoice. Here's how to do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Price Quotes. This is where you'll see all the price quotes you've previously created. Go to the price quote you want to convert and then click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it. By the way, you can only convert a price quote to an invoice once the recipient accepts it, because when you send a price quote to a recipient, they'll receive an email, and within that email, they'll be able to confirm that they've accepted your invoice, your price quote. Anyway, from this drop down over here, click on Convert to Invoice. A confirmation pop-up will appear. So do you want to create an invoice for this price quote? Click on Convert to confirm. And since an invoice has been created, you can choose what you want to do with it. So you can save it and close it. You can collect payment by charging with a credit card or by recording the payment, or you can send this invoice to the customer. And once it's converted into an invoice, it should appear on your invoice list or on your invoice dashboard. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.